So the start of another beautiful day in Puerto Rico. It's about 10 a.m. Some days we get a late start just because all that fog makes the tire wet. It's still passing through, but it's dried out enough. Anyway, we're putting this frame, full face frame, because we've got to change out all this steel right here. All of that's got to be replaced. Have to use the big heavy full face frame, which we have in place. The tower legs are so small, the frame hits the steel, so we had to shim it out with these little pieces of C-channel. A lot of things that we have to overcome as we go. Right, Toby?
Affirmative.
And just remember, when you're the guy on the bottom, the view never changes. There's Beltran's butt talks.